Hey, this is Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to move photos from iCloud to iPhone storage. So you want to go to settings, and then you want to click on your name, so the first option you have. Then you want to tap on iCloud. Then you want to click on his manage account storage, and with here you just want to see how many gigabytes is the iCloud photos using, and etc. So as you can see, I have 85 gigabytes of photos, and if I don't have enough gigabytes on my phone, I won't be able to transfer the photo. So you need to have available space. So to see how much storage I have on my iPhone, go all the way back, go to General, and then iPhone storage. So you can see I have 256 gigabytes on my device, and I have 108 gigabytes free. So if I were to transfer my photos, I would be able to do that. So let's go back, click on my name again, click on iCloud, then click on photos. So what you want to do is tap on download and keep originals, and that means everything will be downloaded. But as you can see, if your iPhone is low on space, full resolution photos and videos automatically paired with smaller device side versions. Now, if you click download and keep originals, your photos will also stay on iCloud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.